Hello, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with Mirror Vision, which is a set of engines to enhance display picture quality. This interface allows for interactive tuning with a real-time quality feedback, making it easy and straightforward for users to tailor the picture quality based on their needs. Advanced users can choose Picture Mode, User Mode to activate more tuning options. Thanks to this, we can change picture mode between Standard, Vivid and User Mode. And then we can change contrast, saturation, and picture brightness. Next we can change sharpness, color temperature, dynamic contrast for videos, blue light defender, or we can restore default settings. Next, you can change brightness level of the display manually, enable or disable dark theme and schedule it. Enable or disable night light, change its intensity and also schedule. Enable or disable read mode, change screen time between 15 seconds, 30 minutes or never, and change wallpaper. Next you can enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, set screensaver, and manage lock screen preferences, like notifications on lock screen, add users from lock screen, set lock screen message, and show lockdown option. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.